Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a very easy project, how to make your own placemat from a drop cloth. It's an easy, no-sew project, no glue involved. Anyone can do this. If you enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thank you very much for watching. As I said, I used a canvas drop cloth for this project, but you can use any fabric that you like. And it really doesn't matter, but what does matter is you must not cut the fabric, you must tear it, and if you tear it, you're able to pull the threads on the warp or weft of the fabric. Having a fringed edge means that you don't have to sew, and that's always a good thing. And I've decorated the corner of my placemats with stars, with hearts, and I've even used my version of African mud art for this one. You can use a stamp or a stencil. You can decorate these placemats in many different ways. I know you'll have fun thinking something up. And here's the finished placemat with a place setting on it. I think it looks very attractive and I hope you like it. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. That helps my channel grow. And thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate that. And I'll see you next time.